Hey folks, Duke CT here. Link in the description for my latest TNA Hardcore Justice review. Sorry, no clips. I'm going to show you no previews and everything else because, TNA is a little too stingy with its whole, clips or what have you on YouTube. So, again, I apologize. So, just link in the description, pros, cons, whatever you want to hear from you, so I can actually do a better show for you and everything else. So, link in the description. Also, I'm going to be doing a very special live stream on Thursday, next Thursday, September 1st, the 1st of September at 4 p.m. The reason why I'm going to be doing this live stream because I got a big announcement for everyone, a huge announcement for not only my show. I got something really big planned, and some announcement I'm going to be sharing with you, some surprises, something really good, and hopefully will be a benefit for everyone to come and actually listen to me talking about my big announcement September 1st at 4 p.m. Anyway, hopefully I see y'all there. Just remember, I hope you see you and some other people. Talk to your friends, all your friends that go on my live stream account, which link will be down there in the description as well. So you can, hear my speech at September 1st at 4 p.m. So I can do this big announcement, and if y'all still there, I can answer some questions. Heck, even put y'all on Skype and actually have a good conversation with y'all. Anyway, that's all I gotta say here. Duke CT here. Peace and love. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Look at my latest review, comments, anything, any pros, cons, criticisms, anything I need to do to make my review a lot better, become a better reviewer. Thank you, and peace.